There. Do you know that you can get AWS Machine Learning and AWS Cloud Architect courses with certification absolutely for free? So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get AWS Machine Learning and Cloud Architect courses with certifications absolutely for free. So watch this video till the end without skipping because I tell the important points that to be considered before you apply at any point of time in this video. So let me take you on to my browser. Everyone out there, this is Vinay and I make these videos on free courses, certifications, internship, placement training and many more interesting stuff. After watching this video, do not forget to check my channel because you might get any of the interesting stuff that you are likely to like it. And coming to the first one, this is about AWS Machine Learning program. Now this is a scholarship program being offered by Udacity. You know what Udacity is, right? Udacity is an online e-learning platform where students and professionals get certified and showcase these certifications and their resumes, which can help them get high paying jobs as well as hike if they are already professionals. Now let me take you on to this scholarship program by which you can get AWS Machine Learning program. Now this scholarship program is about they initially provide you a basic foundational course on machine learning. You have to complete this course for free on Udacity. After you complete this course, you will get a certificate of completion of a basic foundational course. After the foundational course completion, you have to give a small assessment. And based on this assessment, you will be provided a certificate. Not just like certificate, you will be provided a scholarship. Now this scholarship can help you get AWS Machine Learning Nano Degree program. So you are going to get the Machine Learning AWS sponsored certification. So how you can get? Now let me take you on to this. Now after completing this foundation course, based on this foundation course, you will be provided a certificate. After that, you have to give a small test. After that, only 325 seats are provided for the scholarship. That means the top 325 students who performed well in the basic foundation course exam will be given this scholarship. Now these students can get this AWS Machine Learning Nano Degree program. This is really worth 30,000 and all such a big huge amount course that you are going to get for free. This is not some simple thing. So it sounds easy here, but it's a great worthy course that you should do. Should try hard to get this course for free. This is an advanced machine learning course, a nano degree program by Udacity. Now let us see who can apply and when you can apply. So the enrollments will be opened from May 19th and will be closed till July 31st, 2020. So first of all, you need to have an account on Udacity. Thereafter, you have to come onto this page and you have to enroll for this course. So to enroll, you just need to provide your first name, last name and email and tick these conditions. Click on enroll now. But there are some points to be considered. Let me show you that. So this program, the scholarship program, first of all, in the basic Udacity program, you have to give some tests. Like based on the Udacity, I said there is a basic foundational course, right? So in order to complete that basic foundational course, you have to have an account on AWS because AWS you are going to perform some tasks that are already facilitated on AWS environment labs. So for that reason, you need to have a AWS account. So once you get AWS account created, you can get this complete this foundational course. So this is important. So in order to get the AWS foundational account, AWS account, you need to have a credit card or a debit card. You have to provide those details in creating an AWS account. If you do not know how to create an account, check on the YouTube. You have a lot of courses that are present on how to create an AWS free account. So you should not do all the exercises here. You should not go for optional exercises that are provided. You should only do the required exercises because optional exercises might charge you money. So do take care that you are not doing optional exercises here. So they have clearly mentioned here in the FAQs. You can check it out. This scholarship program is not available for all the countries. However, for some poor countries like India and neighboring countries, it are applicable for this scholarship program. So that is about this scholarship program and it's really a worthy program that you must try. So whether you get it or not, first of all give it a try because it's really a great program to get machine learning certified. Now let us see the cloud architect being offered by the AWS. Now this is being offered by Vinsys.com. You can see this. So this Vinsys is providing a certification scholarship program for AWS Cloud Architect. This is similar to the Udacity program. First of all, you have to complete the basic course, and after completing the basic course, you will get a course completion certificate. And you need to give an exam. If you perform well in this exam, like the toppers of this 1% and 5%, etc., you can see here, the top 1% will get free training on AWS Solution Architect. This is worth the 4,000 rupees course by Vinsys. But if you perform well and if you are the 1%, you can get this course for free. And from top 2% to 5% will get 95% discount on this course. And all the participants can get AWS official courseware, AWS official labs and completion certificate for free. So that is about this awards and recognition of Vinsys. Now you can get this Vinsys AWS Cloud Architect course for free. This means it is being provided by Vinsys in collaboration with AWS. You can get this for free, which is worth 4,000 rupees. So this is similar to the Udacity program. However, this is being offered by Vinsys.com. This is the training. You need to give the test. For the test, you can get on AWS and give the test there, but you need to pay amount to give the test. So that is different. But you are going to get a training for AWS course, which is worth 4,000 for free if you perform well in this basic course provided by Vinsys. Now, how to get these links? I may provide the links in the description box below, or else I'll provide the link of my website, and I will provide the links to these two pages on my website. You can browse on my website, like I will provide my blogspot link. Click on that link and we'll check for the recent post. And the recent post, I'll provide a heading like the title like AWS. Inside AWS, I'll provide the links of both this, and you can get the links over there. Because providing links on YouTube is not something really good, so I don't consider providing all links on YouTube. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please do like it and also share with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe and do check my channel for all other videos, because there are really interesting stuff that you must check and you may really like these videos. So thank you so much for watching this video once again.